live. It's 3:11 p.m. East Coast time. I hope you can see this screen. I'm going to talk about a really super simple strategy you could use. I bet you guys didn't realize this was happening with your lottery data, but it does happen, and it can only happen. You can only see it when you have the data in front of you, family. That's why mylottodata.com is so amazing. It allows you to see data, expose data as never before. Pick 3, pick 4, pick 5, even pick 2 if you have it. It allows you to see data as never before. So let's get into it. So family, today's topic is how to win pick 3 using last year's strategy. So effectively what that means, we're going to be looking at the data from last year. So hear what I'm talking about. So it's 2021, right? So we're going to go through a scenario and look at the data from 2020. That's last year's strategy, and not just 2020, any time in 2020, but more specifically 2020 of September, just to show you what happens. And you didn't realize it was happening, but it does happen. So let's get into it. I'm going to share this tab, and family, you're going to see it. We're going to be looking at Georgia. Georgia Cash 3. And let's go back to the tab. So share this tab, how to win pick 3 using last year's strategy. Step 1, get 1 month of last year's data. So you guys see that? Get 1 month of last year's data. So for example, if today is 9/1/21, what you want to get is 9/1/20 through 9/30/20, right? 1 month, this is 1 month of last year's data. So let's assume that it's 9/1, today is 9/1. We're going to get the data from 9/1/20 all the way through 9/30/20, right? You got it? So let's go back here. So this here, I'm going to take this off of here. You see, we're looking at 9/1/20 through 9/30/20. This is all the data right here. You guys see that? This is all the data from right here. We have all of it. So we did step 1. We got all the data from 9/1/20 through 9/30/20. So let's go back to, I'm sorry. Share this tab. So we're doing Georgia Cash 3 or Play 3. So we're looking at all the data, 1 month of data from last year. So if today is 9/1/2021, this is a sample. We want to get everything from 9/1/2020 through 9/30/2020. So we have that there here. We're in Georgia Cash 3. This is everything. This is 1 month's data of 2020 September. So we got that? Okay, let's go back to the step 1. So step 1, we got it. We got all the data from 9/1/20 through 9/30/20. So we did step 1. Step 2, get the first 5 days of step 1's data. Example, get 9/1/20 through 9/5/20. Oh, let me share the tab. I'm sorry. Step 2, get the first 5 days of step 1's data. Example, get 9/1/20 through 9/5/20. Got it? Step 2 is get the first 5 days of step 1's data. Example, get 9/1/20 through 9/5/20. So if I go back to mylottodata.com, right? The first 5 days of Georgia has 3 draws. The first 5 days of Georgia, you guys can see the screen here. The first 5 days of Georgia has 3 draws. So that's going to be 15 that we're going to be grabbing here. We're just going to copy that. Y'all can see that. This is the first 5 days of Georgia's data. So that's 15 numbers because Georgia has 3 draws per day. So we got that. We got that. This is the first 5 days. And just to show you that I have it, I'm going to copy it here into this screen, right? All right. We got that. Okay. So let's go back to the steps and share this tab and look at step 3. Step 3, play the list from step 2. Example, play the list from 9/1/20 through 9/5/20. Okay, let's see what that would have done if we had done that. If we had played this list from step 2. So I'm going to play everything from 9/1/20 through 9/5/20. Let's see what that would have done. So I'm going to go back to sharing this tab, right? So family, you can see here on the left, I have the data from September 2021, and on the right, I have the data from 2020 September. So on the right, you see that 2020, I have September 2020 on the right, and on the left, I have September 2021. Okay, so let's see what would have happened had we done that. And mind you, we have all the data, these 15 numbers from 2020, right? So let's see what would have happened. So today is the first day, and I'm going to play this whole list here. So would I have won? Well, on the 1st of September, 061 came out. Well, oh, look at that. 1016 came out. That matched our list of numbers in that first 15 days. So we would have gotten a win on that. So that checks off. That's pretty cool. So let's look what would have happened on the 2nd. On the 2nd, no, September 2nd, 2021. Oh, 468 came out. Oh, well, within that first 15 numbers, we also have 468. See that? 468. And you can see it right here, 468. You can see it right here, the 468. So that also came out. All right, so we're pretty good. You guys can see where I'm going with this. On the 3rd, we also had 468 come out, which was another 468. This came out as 486. But if we had played that and we didn't exclude it, usually I espouse, excluding the past winner. But in this case, you don't have to, because you have 15 numbers, and that's not a lot to play. And you see that also came out on the 3rd. You see that? So let's go to the 4th. On the 4th, you have 823 that came out, right? And that came out on the 2nd of 2020, September. Let's see, is 823 one of our numbers? Yeah, it is right there. Wow, let's look at that. Who knew that was happening? 823 right there. And then finally, family, on the 4th, still within that same 3-day, 3-draw that Georgia does, you see 010 came out, 010 came out. That also came out on the 1st. So this would have been 2 straight draws. That 010 is also 010 there, 010 there. So look at that, family. Small list of numbers. First 5 days, you would have gotten a win. Actually, 2 straight wins. Very small list. Small list equals big wins. That's how you do that, family. And if I go back to my tab, share this tab here. So you already know what you would be doing. Step 4 is you cash out. You go to your local retailer and you cash out. So family, that's it. Y'all have seen how I do that. I'm going to post this. See you on the other side. Take care.